you want to see how I turn this into this? Keep watching. Hello and welcome to my channel. It's such a pleasure to meet you here today. If it's your first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, but if you're returning, welcome back. For today's project, I'm going to be using this glass cutting board, but first of all, I'm going to take the wrap off and show you what it looks like. Some of the boards are smooth while others have this coarseness about it, like this one right here. This one. I will also be using this paint ruler that I got from Lowe's. I spray painted the chopping board just on one side, not on both sides, because it's glass so it reflects on the other side. But for the woods, I painted both sides. I also got this from the Dollar Tree, and this is what we're going to use. So what I did, I took some diamond and glued it on both ends just like this. This is the spray painted cutting board. I painted the back side, and this is the front side, and this is the one I was talking about earlier. I really like this than the smooth ones because it has that coarseness that made it look different. Look at the difference. I laid the cutting board upside down because I'm going to be working from the inside out, from the back, so just watch as I go along with this. P.S. This was actually the front side. I realized it just before I started gluing, so make sure don't do like I did. But right here, and the next clip right here, this is the back side that I work with. I'll also be using this bamboo skewer because I don't have a thick wood, so I'm going to glue two together, and I spray painted it silver, and I'm going to use it just like this. I then carefully glued it down because I didn't want it moving and getting stuff out of proportion. I also glued down this hanging hook right here, just like this. Next, I added some glossy Mod Podge, and just watch what I do with it. Yep, this is what I did with it. I mixed a combination of silver and gold glitter just like this. Later went ahead and used some brush and brush it out, so now it's here just drying. I'll also be using these mirrors and these. I'll share a video how I made this later sometime. So this is how I'm going to lay them out. This is just trial and error, but just watch as I go along. You can choose to design it this way, with the plain mirrors next to each other and the gold one on either side. Like this. Or like this. I got this from Joann's Fabrics. And the choice is endless. And this is what is good about DIY. You can do whatever you want. Just let your motivation lead you wherever.
You got it all inside of you.
But as a bling bling girl, this is my choice design. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I'll share how I made that little flower in another video.
You make me look.
I wrapped it up with a bling wrap. You can either have it as a wall art or a sconce. Just check it out. Isn't it beautiful? What would you make? Will you make it a wall sconce or a wall art? Please let me know in the comment section. As a wall sconce, with the lights turned off, or as a wall art. And this is my design idea for this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye!